Have you ever looked in the mirror and felt frustrated with your skin? No matter how many products you try, nothing seems to work. Well, what if I told you that transforming your skin could be as simple as doing one small test? That's right, in just 7 days, you could start seeing results you've always dreamed of. Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're diving into a groundbreaking approach to skincare. Let's start with something most of us overlook: hydration. Did you know that dehydration can make your skin look dull and tired? But here's the good news. There's a simple test you can do right now, called the pinch test. Pinch a small amount of skin on your hand or arm with your fingertips. If it snaps back quickly, you're hydrated. If not, you might need to drink more water. Now, let's build a 7-day plan focusing on hydration for your skin. Day 1. Increase your water intake. Aim for at least 8 glasses a day. And let's not forget about the foods we eat. Foods high in water content can also help hydrate your skin. Day 2. Introduce a hydrating skincare routine. Look for products with high hyaluronic acid. Day 3. Cut down on diuretics like coffee and alcohol, which can dehydrate your body. Try substituting with herbal tea or water infusions. Day 4. Add a humidifier to your room. It helps add moisture to the air, which your skin will thank you for, especially during dry seasons. Day 5. Get sweaty. Exercise increases blood flow, which helps maintain skin health. Day 6. Sleep with a hydrating overnight face mask. Nighttime is when your skin repairs itself, so give it a boost. Day 7. Repeat your hydration from day 1. And reflect on the changes you've noticed. More glowing perhaps? Throughout this process, keep a diary. Note down how your skin feels each day, any changes you see, or even how it affects your mood. Remember, this is not just about drinking water, but creating a balanced hydration regimen for your skin. Now, for those of you wondering if this works for oily skin, absolutely. Hydrating your skin actually helps regulate oil production. So, we've covered quite the journey in just 7 days. I hope you feel inspired to try this simple test and see the transformation for yourself. Don't forget to like, share, and comment below with your experiences or any skincare secrets you swear by. Your engagement not only supports our channel but helps share this potentially game-changing approach with more people. Thank you for watching, and remember, taking care of your skin doesn't have to be complicated. See you in the next one, and here's to radiant skin in just 7 days.